In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic and engaging text animations using CapCut. Whether you're looking to add a touch of flair to your videos or want to make your captions stand out, this tutorial will help you achieve just that. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll start by adding text to your project using the text tool. This is a straightforward process. First, open your CapCut app and load the video you want to edit. Once your video is ready, locate the text tool icon, usually represented by a T symbol. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to add a text box to your video. Type in your desired text and then position it where you want it to appear in your video. You can adjust the size, font, and color by exploring the text settings to ensure it fits perfectly with your video's theme. Once you're satisfied with your text placement, it's time to bring it to life with some animation. Head over to the Animation tab. This is where the magic happens. In the Animation tab, you'll see various animation options, but for this tutorial, focus on the Loop section. Loop animations are perfect for adding continuous movement to your text, creating a more engaging experience for your audience. Select the Loop option to explore the styles available. Now you have the choice between bounce or pop-up animations. These are two popular options that add a lot of character to your text. The bounce animation gives your text a rhythmic up and down motion, making it appear playful and energetic. It's great for casual or fun-themed videos. On the other hand, the pop-up animation makes the text appear as if it's popping out from the background. This animation is fantastic for drawing attention, making it suitable for titles or important information. Choose the style that best fits the mood you want to convey in your video. With your animation style selected, you can now tweak the duration and frequency to match your unique style. This step is crucial for customizing the animation to suit your video's pacing. You might prefer a quick, snappy bounce for a lively effect, or a slow, gentle bounce for a more subtle approach. Likewise, you can adjust how often the text bounces or pops up within its animation loop. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance that complements your video's overall look and feel. And there you have it. Adding animated text to your videos in CapCut is as easy as that. By carefully choosing your text style, animation type, and personalizing the timing, you can create captivating and visually appealing videos that hold your audience's attention. Go ahead, give it a try, and watch how these simple steps can transform your content. Happy editing!